Alright, this is an example of a buck converter. I have the input voltage at 8.9 volts. Got my P-channel MOSFET, inductor, capacitors, and LED to show that it's on, N-channel MOSFET to isolate the PWM for the Arduino, a motor running, and a coreless motor running here. And as you can see right now, it's set to 3.3 volts right now. It has a ripple of about 500 millivolts. And then here I'm reading off each one of the actual voltage fed back from the Arduino through a pair of LEDs that are positioned here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to send it over to 5 volts. Okay, so the goal is now 5 volts, and you'll see that the voltage average is moving up to 5 volts, but it's set at 5 volts right now. It should move in real quick, and there we are, 5 volts. I'm going to try this again. You can actually see that the motor is moving pretty quickly. I'm going to set this to 7 volts. Move and as you can see right now, it's at 7 volts. You can see the motor is spinning fast, so you can even hear it. Now I'm going to do is set this down to 2 volts. So you can see the motor's going down in speed. And that is leveled down to 2 volts. Okay, I can also put another fraction, so I'll put like 1.25. Okay, shooting back 1.5 here. This guy's down to 1.25. The motor's continuing to run. The LED is off. We're at 1.383, so a little bit off by 100 millivolts, but should be good enough. Now I'm going to go up to 8. Actually, I'm going to go up to 3 to do a little demonstration with the motor itself. So I'm going to set it up to 3. The motor comes on a little faster. Voltage output is going to go up to 3. And then once it gets there, I'm going to attempt to stall the motor, or like put a little more torque against the motor. And you're going to notice, I don't have 2 hands for this, but you'll notice, even when I apply some torque to it, it keeps the voltage constant. Even though I'm drawing around like a ½ amp, a little more than that, it keeps the voltage constant. I'm using like a little piece of paper to try to push up against the motor here. Try this one more time. You can see it's getting a little ripply over here, but for the most part, you're still able to hold 3 volts. But if I really short them out, it'll drop off. Oh, actually, I'm hitting constant current. Let's try this one more time. Let's try this one. Yep, even full torque. That's 3 amps. No problem. Kept at 3 volts. Fantastic.